Model 1 from المعاصر book. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 6,280 divided by 25. We know 6 divided by 25 will be small. So we will divide it 62 by 25. 2 times 25 equal 50. Then 50 is nearest to 62. And then we can find the difference between 62 and 50. It will be 12. And then drop the next digit here, 8. The result will be 128. And then 128 divided by 25. We know 6 times 25 equal 150. But 5 times 100 times 25 equal 125. It's nearest to 128. 5 times 25 equal 125. The difference between them equal 3, and then drop the next digit, 30. 30 divided by 25 equal 1, and the remainder will be 5. Then the result here it will be 251 and the remainder 5. Okay, understood? 251 and the remainder 5. Letter B. Question number 2. The mode of values 5, 3, 2, 5, 8, 1, 5, and 4 is. What is the digits here repeating? Can you tell me about question number 2? The mode of values, we can get it by the digits which the most repeating here. The most repeating here will be what? 5. Yes, because we have here 5 and 5 and 5, 3 digits 5 in question number 2. Then the mode of the values here will be 5. The mode of values will be what? 5. You know, the mode of the values, we can write the digits which are the most repeated here. It will be what? It will be 5. Okay, choose letter D about question number 2. Then the mode will be equal 5. Question number 3. Which of the following is equivalent to expression 5x plus 3 plus x? We can sample this expression 5x plus 3 plus x. We can add 5x plus x equals 6x. Then the result will be 6x plus 3. Okay, and then you can write 3 outside here, write common factor between two terms. 6x divided by 3 equal 2x, and 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Then the result here will be 3 times 2x plus 1. It's question number 3. Okay, choose letter C. Question number 4. The altogether of the following values 32, 37, 36, 5, 40, 38, and 39 is. We want to find the outlier of the following values. First, we can write all numbers here. Arrange. We have 5 and 32, 36, 37, 38, 38, 39, 40, and then the least number here 5 and the least number 90. You want to find the altogether. The altogether of the following values, the smallest digits here will be 5. Okay, the altogether of the following values, we must choose the smallest number of all digits here. Smallest number here 5. Question 5. The set of integers space the set of rational numbers. The set of integers is a subset of set of integers reverse to z. There's z reverse to integers, and rational numbers q, and z will be a subset of rational number. Shows letter C. Question 6. The number of terms in expression 4 plus 3x plus 2. We have here 3 terms, 4 and 3x and 2. Okay. We won't find 3 terms, but in this question he asked about what? The number of like terms here. We have 3 terms, but he won't find the number of like terms. The number of like terms here will be 4 and 2. We have 2 numbers like. The number of like terms here is 2. The 2 terms will be 4 and 2. But if you ask the number of terms in this expression, we can write 3. Okay. Next question, question number 7. 2 and 4 subtract by 1.5. We can find the least common multiplication between two denominators, 2 and 4 here. 4 can divide it by 2. Then we can write 2 and 4 subtract by 1 and 1 over 2. We can convert this fraction. Okay, write 4 in the numerator. 2 times 2 equal 4 and 1 times 2 equal 2. And then we can find the difference between two numbers here, because 1 minus 2 we can do it. So you must borrow 1 from 2 here. It will be 1, and 1 over 4 will be 5 over 4. Subtract 1 and 2 over 4. The result will be 3 over 4. 3/4. The result here will be 3/4. Choose letter B. Question number 2. The least common multiplication of 4 and 12. We know 12 can divide by 4. Then 12 is the least common multiplication between 12 and 4. And 4 is the greatest common factor. Okay. Then the result will be 12 about question number 1. Question number 2. The verbal form of m plus 0.7, it will be what? The number 82 0.7. Or we can read it what? We can write the verbal form of this expression. Write m increased by 0.7. Or we can write 8m to 0.7. 8m to 0.7. Or the sum of a number m and 0.7. You can write 8m to 0.7, or the sum of a number and 0.7. Question number 3. From the opposite dot plot, the mean equals. We can find the mean. Find the sum of all numbers divided by the number of all numbers divided the number. Okay, we can find the sum of all values divided the number of all digits in the numerator. Okay, we have number line here. Then the mean will be equal 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 divided the number of all numbers here. We have 5 numbers. 60 divided by 5 equal 12. Then the mean equal 12. Okay, understood. You can find the mean by use this method. To find the mean, we must add all numbers and divide the number of this number. Okay, next question. The absolute value. Okay, question number 4. In the equation y equals 3x plus 1, if x equal 4, then y would be equal what? Put x equal 4 in this expression. Then y will be equal 3 times x plus 1. 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Then y would be equal 13. Question 5. The absolute value of 4 multiplication by absolute value of -4 it will be 4 times 4 equals 16. The result will be equals 16. Question number 6. The range equal the greatest number subtract by the least number. The greatest subtract the smallest. The greatest value subtract the smallest value. We can write the range equals the greatest value subtract by the smallest value. It's question number 6. The range equals the greatest value subtract by the smallest value. Question 7. 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, it will be 9 power 4. Question number 8. Choose the correct answer. Question number 8. The smallest counting number is 1 and the smallest natural number is 0. Choose the correct answer. Negative half of 0. We know 0 greater than negative half. 0 is non-positive and non-negative. Then 0 is greater than negative half less than 0. Question number 2. The value of expression 5n minus 5, 5n minus 2, 4n equal 1. Put n equal 1 in this expression. Then 5 times n will be 5. Subtract by 2. 5 minus 2 equal 3. The result will be equal 3. The value of the expression 5n minus 2 for n equal 1. Put n equal 1 here, then the result will be 5 times 1. Subtract by 2 equals 3. Question number 3. All the following are solution of the inequality x less than negative 1 except what? Except what? Can you tell me? Except negative 1, because negative 1 equal negative 1. But negative 5, negative 4, negative 3 is true, so the result here will be letter D. Question 4. The better measure of center of the following data set equal what? We can use here the median. The better measure of the center of following data here, you can use what? The median, about question number 4. Okay. Again, the better measure of center for the following data set is median. We can write what? Median. Choose letter B. Question 5 is the order of Venn diagram. The greatest common factor between them, it will be what? We have here space part. Then the greatest common factor between two numbers, it will be 1. The first number here 3 and second number 10. Then the greatest common factor between 3 and 10 is 1. Question number 6. If x over 2 equals 3, then x equals space. We can find the value of x here by using the rules. The product of extremes equals the product of means. Then x equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the value of x here equals 6. Question number 6. The result will be what? Will be 6. And question number 7. 35 plus 42 equals 7 multiplication by 5 plus 6. We used here the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between 35 and 42 is what? The greatest common factor here 7. And then 35 divided by 7 equals 5, and 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Then we must write 7 in the space. Choose letter D about question 7. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. A merchant paid 7,420 Egyptian lira to buy 53 boxes of mango. Find the price of each box, and if each box contains 5 kilograms of mango, so find the price of each kilogram. First step, we can find the price of each box. The price of each box equal 7,420 divided by 53. We can use here long division. 7,420 divided by 53. 7 divided by 53, then we must put 0. And then 74 divided by 53 equal 1, because 1 times 53 equal 53. The difference between them equal what? 4 minus 3 equal 1, and 5 subtract from 7 equal 2. And then drop 2 here, 212 divided by 53. We can find the number in the quotient. Ask it yourself. 53 times what equal 212. We can write 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 4 times 5 equal 20, plus 1 equal 21. It's exactly the digits. And here we have 0. Put zeros, then the quotient here 140. Then the price of each box, it will be 140 Egyptian lira. And then if each box contains 5 kilograms of mango, find the price of each kilogram. We can find the price of each kilogram by divided 140 by 5. Okay, 140 divided by 5 to find the price of each kilogram. Okay, use long division to find the price of each kilogram. The price of each kilogram will be 140 divided by 5. 14 divided by 5 equal 2, and the remainder 4. 4 right up 0, it will be 40 divided by 0. 40 divided by 5 equal 8, then the result will be 28 Egyptian lira. Okay, next question. Number 2, order the given set of numbers from least to greatest. We must arrange all numbers here by write the least multiplication between two denominator, or you can write the negative here first. It will be what? We have 21 and 14 and negative 3 1 over 4 and negative 1 7 over 8 and last one negative 2 and half. We can find the order by write the least multiplication between two denominator here, 8 and 4. We know 8 can divide it by 4 and 2. We can write here 8 and 4 and cancel these numbers, convert, it will be 2 over 8. And then you can arrange from least to greatest, but you must write the original number. The first number here, it will be what from least to greatest? Negative 3 and 1 over 4, and then negative 2 and 1 over 8, and then negative 1 and 7 over 8, and 1.4, and then 2.1. Okay, from least to greatest. Question number 3, write algebraic expression to find the area of the opposite figure. We can find the area of rectangle equal length times width. We have here two dimensions, 5 and x. About the first rectangle, the area here will be 5 times x, and the area of next rectangle 10 multiplication by x. Then you can write the area in one step, 5 times x and 10 times 5, it will be 50. Then 5x plus 50. Okay, we can write 5 outside and x plus 10. About the area of this rectangle, length times width. The length here x plus 10 and the width equal 5. Then the area equal 5 multiplication by x plus 10. Or you can find the area of one rectangle. The first rectangle here to be 5x, and the area of next rectangle 5 times n equal 50. Then the area equal 5x plus 50 equal 5 multiplication by x plus 10. Okay,